Come on over,
What's
baby.
today? Moving day.
Yes.
Stay tuned to find out where.
We may end up posting the video about
Why we're moving.
We might not. We're not gonna talk about that in this vlog though.
Positive vibes only.
What we have today is we have a moving team. You guys will meet them later. The plan is to move all of the furniture and have the men do the heavy lifting. The bed is gone. Look, my bed is almost gone too. How do you feel? Excited. A 5-man job. Okay, well, first you have to introduce yourselves. What's your name?
Andrew.
And?
My name is John.
And what are you guys doing today?
We are moving all of your stuff onto our new apartment. It's
We're your
amazing.
little
You're here for...
you.
How you feeling?
It's much easier getting it into this place than getting out of the old place.
Yeah.
Getting my workout in, you know?
Yeah.
Come in.
Don't say that.
If you had this here, like where would that go? It'd kind of be narrow over here, wouldn't it?
No, I'm thinking the bed goes like right here, facing this way.
I'm thinking the bed goes this way with
That's what
that
I'm
right
thinking
there.
too.
Oh.
Feng Shui has spoken. All right. Oh my God, look at that.
He
Single-handedly.
does it by himself.
Hercules.
Heroes like Hercules.
Honey, you mean Hercules.
Up, Willie.
Wow, that's smart. We're gonna have Mr. Designer say what he thinks, but then I'm gonna do what I want anyway. I was thinking headboard here, bed go that way, because then you have all this room.
I wouldn't put it up against the wall though.
Oh,
If
don't?
you have it up against a wall, you don't have your life together.
It's Bill! Thank you guys. This is a few days in. See, this is it coming together. We should have taken it before. Oh, it's a little bit of a disaster. And Willie's room. Willie needs, I think, a lot of help.
My room right now. Gotta unload all of it. We'll show the after.
All right, guys, checking in. Randy here. We've been in this apartment for almost a week. We're still getting settled in. Look at this. Wanted to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. Nina and I have taken so many different classes on Skillshare. I've taken a photography class, a painting class. The most recent one that we've both been doing is a Facebook ads. We started our own coaching program teaching people how we cleared our acne and how we've helped clear other people's acne. We've talked about this a lot on our channel. We also want to reach a different audience, and that's why I think learning Facebook ads could be super helpful. The class we watched is by Austin Liliano, and it's called Facebook Advertising Hacks. We're excited to use this information we learned about Facebook ads to hopefully spread the message and help other people clear their skin. I love how affordable Skillshare is. A yearly subscription could be $10 a month. I've looked at online courses that aren't on Skillshare and they can be like $200, sometimes $1,000, so this is a really good deal. The first 1,000 people to click the link in our description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. And there's so many different courses for you to really expand your creativity, your knowledge, all that good stuff. What you working on, Nina? I'm editing the Tahoe video.
All right, so do you want to show us the update?
Okay, let's start from the top. I guess we'll start from the living room. We got my favorite area to edit in. And here we have the Peloton, which is behind the walls, which is perfect so you can't see it as you walk in. We have the couch. We gotta hang up our photos and we're gonna mount the TV up there, but we're not gonna hang the photos until we have the TV mounted. Let's move into the kitchen. We're getting a new tablecloth because this is a little bit dated. Very light and bright, nice view, plants. It's a little bit like more spread out than our old kitchen, and it's good. Let's go to my room, or actually let's go to the bathroom that Rain and I share. It's just like nice and bright. It's good for 2 people, come check it out. We got these cute little storage bins. Also, gotta do some self-promo. This is our oil-free face wash. Use it every morning and night. Love it so much. If you're looking for an oil-free face wash, you can find it on Amazon or on clearskindiet.com. Welcome to my room. It's not totally done, but lots of space. This is where I guess I'll do yoga, lots of closet.
Ta-da!
And let's move on to Raina's room. Not totally done, but feels very homey and cozy in here. We just gotta get her a curtain up because the light comes in. Gotta sleep with pitch black lighting because Raina and I are very light sensitive while we're sleeping. I just realized we forgot to show the balcony with Sally. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see the real reason we moved out, I guess let us know. It's a little bit dramatic, so I'm not sure if we're going to share it. But stay tuned for our next vlog. It's going to be of our Lake Tahoe trip, and that's going to be so much fun. I'm really excited for that video. Catch you in the next vlog. See ya!